Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time! It's time for the lightning round. What is about and then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Ski Daddy, time for the lightning round. I'm start with Gary in Ohio. Gary.
Hey, Jim, happy belated birthday.
You're very kind. Thank you.
Hey, Jim, I bought XL Fleet up around 24, 25. I'm in it pretty deep, and now I'm underwater.
Well, I mean, it's an electric vehicle. It's one of the better ones. You know, when the life cycle of these things are, once they go back down, it takes a while to catch fire. You have to wait for the quarter. But it's one of the better ones that they brought. How about William in Michigan? William.
Hi, Jim. Thank you for taking my call.
Of course.
I watched your show a couple of days ago regarding SPACs, and I really appreciate your insight about the similarities to the .com era.
Yes.
The stock I'm calling about is currently a SPAC scheduled to complete its merger during the first half of the year. With the target company already generating $100 billion in transactional volume, what do you think of VFT eventually trading as Paysafe?
That's Foley's. Foley. We have to have him on. What can I say? I mean, you know, because look, I'm a Workday guy. That's how I recommend in that space. You can say that's who I do. So I have to learn that story better. Let's go to Joe in California, please. Joe.
Hey, Jim. Hope you had a good birthday yesterday.
That was excellent. Thank you for saying that. Thank you.
I'm in my mid-20s and looking for long-term positions in innovative tech companies that can still be bought at fair valuations. Mm-hmm. What do you think of InterDigital? Ticker IDTC.
You know, it's interesting. It's always cheap and it does well. It's been growing. It's a good. I mean, it always looks like it's like it's like a boring Qualcomm or something, but it's a very good company. I like your idea. It's from the Philly area. Let's go to Moe in New York, please. Moe.
Booyah, Jim. How you doing, buddy?
Having a good day. How about you, Moe?
I'm doing great. I'm a short-time listener. My friend put me on to you, and I'm a huge fan, Jim.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I hope you're doing better with your recovery.
Yes, I am. Thank you for saying that. Thank you for asking, and I am. And I knock wood. What's up?
Awesome. I wanted to ask you about ticker symbol AQB. They are a company that breeds their own salmon in an environment.
Yes. It's a little guy company. I mean, this is one of these boutique companies I'd love to have on. Okay, it's like they just did a deal. They just did an offering of stock. It's working. It's had a nice little gain. It's interesting to me. Let's go to Celeste in New York, please. Celeste.
Jim, this is Celeste's husband, Michael, wishing you a hearty and a healthy booyah.
There you go. I like that. The guy brought his A game. What's going on?
So first, I'd like to say happy birthday.
Thank you.
Beautiful birthday cake. I loved it.
Wasn't it amazing? From Cherry Hill, New Jersey. Really fantastic.
It was beautiful. And then I'd like to get to my question, which is, I've owned Tyson Foods since I bought it at 90, right before the pandemic. And now it's just been suffering at 65, and I'm rooting for it. Because
I am too. You know what? I dumped on those guys, I admit. I owned it from Travel Trust. They got completely just burned. And I am hoping that they pull it off, because they are about to report. They have been, if you Google inconsistent, you're going to see their name. But there they are. They did report. I'm sorry. That was my bad. And what I say is that I will have to digest the quarter, because it is so on the fly that I didn't get to do it today, and I apologize. But it is, it's a problematic story. I like Hormel. I like branded. I like better. And they'll say they're branded, but I just really feel that what the powers of that company is too commodity. Let's go to Thomas in Florida, please. Thomas.
Booyah, Mr. Cramer. Thanks for taking my call.
What's going on?
I've been searching for an EV play that hasn't gone to the moon yet. And I have an industrial that does business in several sectors with a PE ratio that's in the low 50s.
Okay.
I wanted to get your thoughts on Sensata Technologies.
It's very good. I mean, it's a component company. It's a straight-out component company that does a very good job. Doesn't get nearly enough talk about. It's just consistent and good. Thank you for bringing it to our attention. Again, I apologize to Tyson. I was out of touch this morning getting my stitches and did not get my stitches out and did not get to follow the quarter. And it feels good, by the way. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade.
Coming up, how will consumers change as more Americans get vaccinated? Cramer eyes some trends that could make you money. when Mad Money returns.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.